Section 51 of Up One Pair of Stairs of My Bookhouse. This is a Librivox recording. All Librivox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit librivox.org. Recording by Capricia Page. Up One Pair of Stairs of My Bookhouse. Edited by Olive Beaupre Miller. Rain in Summer by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. How beautiful is the rain, after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street. In the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain! How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs! How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout! Across the window pane it pours and pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. End of section 51. Recording by Capricia Page.